In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and set up Atlassian Confluence. By the end, you'll have Confluence up and running in your browser, ready for your team to start collaborating. First, head to the official Atlassian Confluence download or setup page. Make sure you're on Atlassian's own website to ensure you're getting the genuine installer. This page hosts the latest releases and trusted long-term support builds, along with clear notes about what's changed, so it's the safest place to start. Next, choose the Confluence version you want to install. If you're new or want the most recent features, pick the latest stable release. If you prefer predictable maintenance windows with fewer upgrades, a long-term support release is a great choice. Confirm you're selecting the edition and version that match your needs and infrastructure policies. Download the installer that matches your operating system. The site will offer platform-specific packages so you don't have to guess. Save the file somewhere easy to find and wait for the download to complete before moving on. Now, run the installer on your computer or server. If your system prompts for permission, approve it so the setup can proceed. The installer will guide you through a few screens such as installation directory, data directory, and whether you want Confluence to run as a service. If you're unsure, the default options are a safe starting point. Accept the license agreement and let the installer place all the required files. If your firewall asks, allow Confluence to communicate so your browser can reach it locally. Follow the setup prompts as they appear. The guided setup is designed to reduce guesswork, so read each screen and confirm the choices that fit your environment. Keep an eye on any notes about memory or ports. The installer typically highlights anything important. If prompted, configure the database and create the initial admin account. For quick evaluations, the built-in database is convenient. For production, connect to your organization's supported database and use credentials with appropriate permissions. Test the connection before proceeding. Then set your site name and create an admin user with a strong password. Store those details securely and avoid sharing them publicly. Finish the installation and open Confluence in your browser. The installer will either launch it for you or display the address to visit. Sign in with the admin account you just created, confirm everything loads properly, and you're ready to start adding spaces, pages, and users. That's it. Confluence is installed and accessible, and you can begin tailoring it to your team's workflow.